Welcome back. It is 8:24 on the clock, and if you're looking for your holiday tech gift ideas this morning, we're giving you a helping hand.
Teray Gable showing us what is the latest and the greatest when it comes to the world of high-tech gadgets just in time for the holidays. Teray, where are you hanging out this morning?
We are back around the gadgets. That's the only thing folks want to know about this morning. It's your holiday ideas like Bill and Keisha were talking about. And David, we've been talking about a lot of different ideas that folks can have, from smartphones to
music. We've covered a lot, right? We've talked about AT&T's Next. We've talked about gifts that keep on giving, AT&T UVerse, securing your life and keeping your loved ones safe with Digital Life. Now we're going to move on to after the holidays and talk about actually being active and recovering from all the weight you put on.
All right, let's start.
All right, so we have a number of items here. We're going to start off with the Samsung Galaxy S4 Active. This phone here is actually only $22 on Next, or as low as $20 on Next. And the great thing about this phone is not only is it part of the Galaxy series, it's also a ruggedized phone. So it's water resistant.
Okay.
It's going to have a little bit more toughness for being shock proof. So if you're going to be out running or out biking or anything like that, this is going to be one of the devices that actually will hold up very, very well in the outdoors. Moving on, we also have the Fitbit. So if you want to discreetly track
that's the word,
activity. Discreetly track your activity. This actually will keep up with how many calories you've burned, how active you've been, and the great thing about this, it actually ties back to your smartphone and also goes online. Moving on, we also have the earbuds that actually are guaranteed not to fall out. And also, if you want to move on to the Backbeat Go 2 here, that's going to be great Bluetooth speakers that are actually sweat-proof, and that way you don't get tangled up with wires.
Love it.
Lastly, we talked about the Galaxy Gear earlier.
Right.
This Pebble smartwatch actually ties to any smartphone.
Any smartphone, Oklahoma.
That's right, Android or iPhone, or actually even iPad. You can actually use this to check your email, notifications, and also to keep up with all your activity.
Folks want more information, where they need to go?
They need to come on down to our store of the future here at Northwest Expressway in May, or go to att.com.
Or you can go to our website, okcfox.com, click on the morning show, and here it is. It's Universal Oklahoma. Come out here and grab you one. With that, Bill, Keisha, I'm thinking about getting you one, Bill. I'm going to replace that band on that watch that you have. Right there, Bill. What you think? I got to send it back. Teray Gables.
A little more high-tech than mine. Yeah, Teray saw my watch earlier, and she's like, Bill, you need a new band on that thing. And she's kind of right.
I think it looks nice.
Yeah, well,
but I'm sure you wouldn't mind that gift, would you?
No, I'll be more than happy for that. Hey, it's your chance.